Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Paul Conway, Product Manager at Spyfone Systems Limited, and today I'm going to do a quick run through of the Spyfone control panel and show you just how easy and straightforward it really is to use. Okay, so the first thing to mention is there's absolutely nothing to set up or install on the phone. You simply switch the phone on and it's ready to be monitored. So once you've switched the phone on and give it to somebody that you want to monitor, then you're ready to head over to our website at spyfone.co.uk. So let's do that. I have it open in the browser already. And this is what you'll see. And you'll notice at the top right hand corner of every page, there's a control panel login button. So we want to click this and it's going to take us to the login screen where we can enter the username and password that came with our device. So I'll just click that. And here we are at the control panel login screen. So it's prompting us now for a username and password. Now, a quick mention about that. When you order from us, your username and password will be packaged and delivered with your phone. It'll actually be in the same box as the phone. So once you've opened the box, you take the document out, and obviously it's clearly listed on there, your username and password, and that's what you're going to want to enter here. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, I've set up a test account with a test device. So I'm going to enter the details here, as you will do with the real details that you receive. And I just click login once I've entered them. And all being well, you're taken to the control panel screen, and this is really where you're going to do all your monitoring. As you can immediately see, it's very well laid out. All your available options are clearly marked out across the top here in your control panel menu, and then you have the sub menu for each of the options from the main option. So let's look at the first option here, is call management. Okay, so in the call management section, you have view all calls, view incoming calls, view outgoing calls, view missed calls, and initiate a snooping call. So as you can imagine, there's a great deal of tracking that can be done. I'm just going to show you a few things today just to give you an idea of how it works. So if I wanted to see all calls made, received, or missed on the device, I would simply click view all calls, and that's going to go off to the Spyfone and ask it for all the calls that have been made or received to the device. And here we have them listed in no time at all the calls that have been made, received or missed. Now if we just wanted to filter by incoming calls, then that's very easy to do. We've got an incoming calls option here, and we just click view incoming calls, and again it will go off to the Spyfone and ask it for all incoming calls. So you can see here the call type is all incoming. Okay, now just before we finish the demo on the calls management, there's an important option here, which is view outgoing calls, which is going to allow us to see all calls that have been made from the device to somebody else. So that's a great feature to have. So the next feature along is SMS management, and again it's set out in the same way as the call management screen. If I want to view all sent messages, I can click view sent. It will go off to the phone and tell me the messages that have been sent. Here I have one message, which is hi mate, how you doing, which has been sent. Okay, a really interesting feature here is the view deleted SMS, which will show me all deleted messages on the device. So if somebody's trying to cover their tracks and they've deleted a message off the phone, it may be gone off the phone, but you'll still be able to see it here. So if I click that, view deleted, here's all the messages that have been deleted off the device. So that's a great feature. Now before I conclude the demo, I want to really show you a great feature, which is location tracking. So click location management here, and this is going to show us the exact GPS location of the phone at the moment, and you can track this wherever the phone is in the world, whether it's in the next room or halfway across the world. Again, it's very simple to use. There's two options, start tracking and stop tracking. Obviously we want to start tracking, so I'm going to click here, and you can see now we're asking the phone to obtain a satellite lock and tell us exactly where it is. And in no time at all, we've got a GPS fix on the phone, which is telling us the phone is here next to Hyde Road. Now this is a real-time GPS link, and it will move as the phone moves. Thank you very much.